It's a 2015 Cadillac SRX. Beauty and functionality flow into one another, giving you an SUV that refuses to compromise. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, active noise cancellation, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and refrigerated box located in the glove box. The Car Connection observes, inside, the look is uniquely American, and the hand-cut and sewn coverings on the instrument panel and ambient lighting make for a rich environment. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.